tree huggers. They follow the tree huggers more than anybody. You can use this as a winch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I bought a good one, an actual high lift, because I had a tension up your wire. We're gonna have to get another bite on this. Yeah. Okay, try it a little. Go ahead. There we go. Okay, hold up.
Yes, sir.
We just gained 6 inches.
Nice.
Not every guy likes to do that. Yep. See how that works? Yeah. That guy? Ooh. We do it again. This jack has done a lot of recoveries. I bet. It looks well used. There you go. Fold around there. Okay, we got to move your truck over again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you and I back up, because Johnny's gonna have to back up and go over a little bit. He's gonna, so come on.
Gained a whole bunch, actually. Hold on. Hold on. Run out. Run your wire out. Right there. Okay. Let's get you over again.
Do I need to go back a little bit?
Just back up 2 feet. Stay hard passenger. Back on up. Right there. Turn driver, come up the hill. Right there. Little wire.
Let's not kick the rocks onto the road, because see how they're sharp and pokey? If we run over that with a tire, it could pop the tires. So,
Work. Underdog towing.
Would I have to sleep at your house?
no. We'll be home before dark. We're already doing good. We're already halfway there. We got one vehicle already out. So once we get this guy back on the road like this other one, then all we have to do is we all drive back the same way we came in.
I know that you have his phone number. If you don't show it on your screen, I'll give it to you.
I think I see a
Yes,
video.
his phone number is 928-533-4024.
Do we have them?
Yeah, good tires.
No.
Still going.
But they don't know that, do they?
End it. But yeah, that's not good. You think your Harbor Freight can do that? Maybe not.
Slid him right back up on the road. That was very nice.
Okay, hold up.
Thank you, Ethan Underdog Towing.
Yours says 12. Yeah, mine's 12 also. Turn passenger. Passenger. A little more, right there. Gently back up. Just gently.
Just behind me.
Don't turn the wheel. I can't believe you're doing all this. Good. Let some wire out. Okay. In. Try it.
Backwards and pull.
Wheel him in. Okay, hold on. You gotta start turning the driver now. Great. You videotape a lot of the rescues?
When I can, yeah, when I'm not helping.
That's good. A little bit of wire, please.
Yeah.
That way you get an idea of what you did right, what you did wrong.
Exactly, exactly.
Plus you got video. If somebody says, "Oh, they messed up my vehicle."
That's,
Ah,
yeah,
I
that's
think
a
so.
lot of it. That's why we try and take pictures and everything.
Yep.
But
Right there.
it's also learning for other,
Yeah.
you have no idea how much
See what we
YouTube.
did here?
Yeah.
Oh well, yeah. That's,
We watch a lot of YouTube that have not so much mountains like this, but other people in the different ways, and then you learn something and you're like, oh, I didn't think I could do that. And okay, let me try that next time. Ethan, he's been up and down this road so many times, he knows.
oh
So-
yeah. Well, I'm sure he's done plenty of these.
Yeah, exactly.
I flattened that off and kind of dug a trench there to kind
Right.
of stabilize everything,
Yeah.
because I knew once you got us backing up. Yeah, see his ass in wants to slip.
Okay, hold up right there.
Okay, hold your brake on tight, please. See if you can slide the back over. Yeah, hell yeah.
Keep going.
Hell yeah.
Okay, good.
Beauty.
A little more.
He could practically drive out
A little
now.
more.
Yeah.
Right there. Slightly passenger, back up a foot. Yes. Okay. Still on your brake. Slightly passenger. A little more. A little bit more. Right there is ideal. Slide him over.
I'm just surprised doing it with a half-ton truck.
Right, yeah.
I would have thought you need 3/4 ton with a little butt to it, and
Well, that's what we were going to bring, and then Ethan was saying the road is so narrow and everything, and then when I heard it was 97B, I'm like, we just were on that road with this truck. And so I was like, okay, we'll just take this truck, which worked out because the boss had to take the 350 out for another one.
that's
So
what they were said. They're coming with a 350.
Yeah.
What is that? A crew cab?
yeah,
See,
it's
perfect truck
bigger.
would be a
Ford.
single cab, 3/4 ton long bed
Yeah.
for up here.
Well, yes and no. Sometimes the empty bed, if you
Well,
don't
it's
have it
just-
full of,
It's just the half-ton
Yeah.
axles. I've broken half-ton axles for a
right,
reason.
right, yeah.
I did it on my Blazer. That's why I went with 1-ton axles. Oh man, I don't know whether I got bit, but my finger is itching like crazy.
Could have. The edge we got last week, it was right up against some cactus, and he felt it, but he didn't realize it, and it took us a day or two. He had it all right here in his cheek, right there. And he's like, I feel like I've got cactus pricklies in there. So we went outside with a good light and a magnifier, and yeah, he had a lot of.
Where's my high lift?
Right here.
We need that again.
I got it out the way.
All right.
Yep.
I wasn't sure.
Hold on the brake. Go ahead. Turn on. Slightly passenger. A little bit more. A little bit more. Right there. Oh yeah. Run out a foot or two. I'm just having to do all this. Turn uphill and back out.
Come here.
You're only going back about 2 feet. Okay. Right there. Actually, if you can give me a couple more inches, there's a nice pocket to drop in. Run your winch out.
So it's hooks and hoist.
I'm Huck. He's my silent partner. I work for Hoist and I advertise for him, so.
Very gently.
But I gotta throw
Back
a
up.
little of my own luck
Creep
in
it
there.
backwards an inch at a time.
Well, I've got a
you're in
YouTube channel.
really good shape. Don't turn the wheel no matter what your brain says. Just come on back a little. Whoa!
Yep.
This thing's
Too much ass, too much power.
too much gas pedal. Is the park brake on? Okay.
Yeah, that sucks.
Alright.
Slid over.
That will get it. The outer one will get it. We're making amazing progress.
We'll get there.
Yeah, I thought mine would have been tougher. Being on that side, man, there's this. Oh,
It seems bad, but it wasn't as bad. That edge up there, that one I brutally drug out. Kind of used the brush and popped it back up on the road. It actually didn't hurt. Wow. But it was sketchy.
Very, very gently, passenger, please. Right there. See if you can, see if it'll back up 6 inches.
just barely touch it.
It'll go. It'll be alright. Stop.
It didn't slip. It did not slip.
Very gently. Drive her a little, please. Right there. Another 6 inches.
Knowing your track, that's good. Knowing how you run your track.
One more. Right there. Hold up. Alright, we're getting there. It's gonna be a second here.
Yeah. This is slippery shit. Good God.
Passenger a little, please. Right there. Gently back. Stop.
Not
This is
over here where the
where
people
most
are.
people were like, oh, we're
Yeah.
and this,
No, I know because that's what I was where he was at, but back a little further, and that sumbitch kept sliding and sliding and sliding. Every time I went back or forward, it was crazy. I was like, this ain't working. Oh, I cleared him a nice path here. Cool.
So now we're gonna bring this thing
He's
back
almost
just a
fell
little
on my
bit
head.
farther, and then we're
No.
gonna slide the back of him one more time.
You can throw out into that way, but not up.
Turn passenger,
Okay.
please.
Thank you.
A little more. A little bit more. Right there.
Can't say nothing bad about this old red truck right here.
Is everything 928 up here?
Pretty much, yes, sir.
That's wild. I didn't know we had 9 up here. That's crazy.
Come on back just a little. 6 inches, please. Doing great. Come on back. A little more. Right there. Hold up. Perfect.
Pulling from where I'm at or backing up?
Run out a little bit of wire, please.
Sir.
Okay. Take it in. Put it in neutral. Hard on the brake, please. See if we can get any.
Oh yeah. Beauty.
Let out. Come on. Hold up. Back out.
How many miles on this thing?
Most of them, man. last fall.
Pick apart down in Phoenix.
No, up here.
Oh, there's a pick apart up here too?
Yeah, on Valley Road, and changed out the differential.
Right passenger. Right there. Come on back. A little more. Okay, hold up right there. You're out. We just got to clear this rock now. All right, John. It's all you, man.
I'm guessing you got somebody waiting on you?
No. I just want some water.
Oh, there's cold ones in my cooler, brother.
And now you got to back him out of there gently.
Johnny, pay attention to what you're doing.
I'm gonna move this up.
Okay, William, come on. He's gonna be backing all the way out this way.
All right.
Okay, hey, there's people around now.
All right, real slow and easy. Just like you are. Real easy.
Start turning him passenger.
Yep, a little bit passenger. Easy. Hold it.
You're a mile away from going over the edge. You got tons of room.
All right, come on, easy.
Come here, William. We're gonna come over here on this side.
Watch his front bumper doesn't catch the bank.
Yep.
Go answer the phone, Mommy's calling. You wanna go in Johnny's truck and answer the
So
phone?
far, you're gonna want to cut it.
Go answer.
No. Too early.
Yeah, well,
Too early. Way too early.
we're
Go forward again. Back up the hill.
Do you want me to put you that way?
no. Let me just scoot me over.
Okay, William.
Watch out, boy.
Right there. Don't turn the wheel. Come on
Okay,
back.
come here, baby.
Come on back.
Well, that kind of sucks. Most of them come with a traction device in the rear.
This thing's longer than that other truck.
Four-door long box?
The back doors are bigger. It's the doors.
Yeah.
The rear doors. That's the forward. It's the rear doors. Okay, so hard, all the way. Come all the way forward. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, now hard that way. We're swinging the back around a little. Go forward some. Good. Now, you're going to want to straighten the wheels out and back up. Right there, right there. Come on back. Back a bunch. Hard driver. Hard. Back up. Much as you feel safe. Alright. Come forward. Leave the wheel turn where it's at. Come towards me. Okay. Now, leave the wheel where it's at. Let's try to rock it back a little. Do that again. Come towards me more. Right there. Yeah. Good. One more. Come on.
a little bit, William, because if those rocks kick out, they're going to kick you in the head. Okay? Yeah, see the rocks? When he backs up and those tires start spinning, those rocks start kicking out, right? And where are those rocks going to go? Anywhere. And they could fly and hit you in the head. The other guy's already like halfway down the trail. All right.